Alright, one less delivery for a month. You see my beard is, right? Well, beard kit. Now, what comes in it is 3 things actually. Beard brush, right? Beard comb, beard shears, beard oil, and this should be beard balm. Yep. Now, I will be opening up all this. Don't worry. First, the beard balm. Let's see instructions. This all seems to be sandalwood. Okay. Use a small amount in your palm and gently work into your beard style as desired. Okay. Now I need a beard kit anyway. Beard oil, etc. Now come on, don't do this to me right now. This is gonna do this to me, isn't it? I don't want the things to be destroyed. Beard balm. Let me see what it smells like. Probably sandalwood. Oh, that's nice smelling. I also have somewhere I have beard and face lotion. Oh, that smells good. I'm definitely gonna use this. Well, of course I am because I bought it. Okay. I'm gonna put it back into the thing as is. I'm not gonna use the balm or the oil right now, at least. Other side has my dress on it. Beard oil. Softens beard. Organ oil. Oh, I can do this. It's organ oil and vitamin E. It's nothing. And of course, this one will be the easiest to open. Okay. This is also like sandalwood. It's all pretty much sandalwood stuff with these two things. So yeah. Let's see how I use it. Apply 2 to 3 pumps into your palm and gently work into wet or dry beard. That's going to help with my beard. I'm sure you know. Okay. Then what was that? Oh, is that a comb? I don't know. Mini brush and comb. All beard styles, stainless steel for precision cutting. This could really help. Not real leather. What's in it is some shears and a comb or brush. Oh my god, that is so cute. That's so cute. That is so cute. I like that. That's so cute. Yeah, so cute. Now the 2 things I will be using, we'll be like testing out. I want the beer. I think you gotta have your thing like this if you're gonna eat with the small thing. Oh wait, no, this is for you can like and then so yeah. Then the comb, which has 2 sides to it. I want to try that. Oh my god, that brush seems like it'll. Oh! Oh, that's. Oh, wow, that's nice. And what it says on here. That's cool. That's what I do. Right? That works perfectly. Of course, you have like a little. Oh god. I forgot I have. I thought I had some ice cream. So I should. Yeah. Give me a second. Make it. Oh, I want a toothpick. Darn it. I don't have a toothpick. It's okay. I can get this out in a minute. And then the one thing I really want to try. The beard brush. Oh, I bet this is going to be really nice. Okay, it's soft. Yeah, seems to be working. Yeah, yeah. That's the thing I got. So yeah, the brush looks really well. It's soft bristles, so it's really. I like that. Unlike this, it should be for hair. So yeah, high quality wood beard brush. I have the oil in the comb, the shears, all that. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I got. One last delivery for the month. So yeah, God bless and peace.